Hey, Giselle here, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to submit a project to EqualReach with our new AI project drafter. So just describe what you need in normal language. You can choose any of these pre-selected popular services like editing videos, or I need to redesign a website. But let's just say I need help creating social media content for my e-commerce business. And let's see what it comes up with. All right, we're going to be scoping the project. So what's your desired timeline, let's say within the next 3 months? And then what's your budget for the project? You might know, you might choose one of these pre-selected, or you might not know, so you can select that. And then the next question, what does success look like? So we're asking about goals. Let's say you have really specific goals. I want to increase followers on Instagram and TikTok. And then, do you have any specific skills, tools, constraints, or assets relevant to this project? Let's just say we have existing accounts and brand guidelines that you can provide. And then, are you submitting this as an individual? Let's say we're submitting as a business. And then, what's your organization's name and where is it based? Let's say our company is Fairworks and we're based in the UK. And then now what's happening is we're creating a full project brief for you that you can edit before submitting. But once you submit it, we can then match you to 1 to 3 of our best pre-vetted teams for the scope of this project. You can get custom proposals, review them, and choose the best team for you in order to get started. So let's see what it came up with. We've got all this information now filled in. If anything feels out of scope, let's say you're like, hey, actually, rather than one lump sum of managing social media over a period of time, actually, I'd rather just do a smaller amounts, maybe with a monthly rate. Maybe your max is actually 2,500 pounds, and your minimum is maybe leave it blank, or maybe say 1,000 pounds seems reasonable for maybe comps of what you're paying right now. So you can go back and review, make any changes. Let's say based on this, we can kind of pull out information about your company thanks to AI. We can then scope what you're looking for. You can make any changes if you want to be more specific, or if you just want to keep what's there but make some edits. And then do a full review. If everything looks good, in screening questions, when you get custom proposals, you can ask the teams to answer questions that will help you make the best decision about which team you want to go with. It comes with some pre-suggested options. So maybe can you provide examples of similar projects, or can you describe your experience driving organic follower counts on Instagram and TikTok? And you'll get answers related to that. You can also define, what level of experience you're looking at. Let's say you really at that for this type of project, you need someone expert. You maybe have someone in your in-house team who's got okay amounts of social media expertise, but you need an expert to do that next stage of growth. And then you can choose edit anything else, and then just submit your project. Add your name. We already got your organization name, and set up your account. When you click submit, it is going to go to us at the EqualReach team. We're going to match you to the best teams, and we'll get started on your project once you choose a proposal and a team that you love. So give it a try and let us know what you think.